weight loss. This is such a big circus in all our lives. How many diets we have tried? And there are lakhs of diets out there in the world for you to choose. But isn't it very confusing? What actually suits us and doesn't suit us? Today, in this video, I'm sharing with you a small tip that I use in my life. Namaskara. I'm Parimala Jaggesh, the founder and director of allergic Nutrition. I'm a certified nutritionist as well as a weight management specialist. ಇದೇ ವಿಡಿಯೋ ಕನ್ನಡದಲ್ಲಿ ನನ್ನ ಯೂಟ್ಯೂಬ್ ಚಾನೆಲ್ ಅಲಾಮಿರಾಪ್ ನ್ಯೂಟ್ರಿಷನಲ್ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. ಚೆಕ್ಔಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ. I come across thousands of clients struggling with your weight, and these simple changes, hacks in your life will ensure that you get the results you require. Why wait? Let's check out today's recipe. Oats mango smoothie is the recipe we are checking out the ingredients list for you. I have taken 1 tablespoon of instant oats and I'm just dry frying it to a light brown color. I'm leaving it on medium flame so that it doesn't get burnt. I'm adding in around 100 ml of skim milk. You can add whatever milk you want, allowing it to come to a gentle boil. For sweetness, I always prefer jaggery and I'm adding in a teaspoon of powdered jaggery. Giving it a mix, allowing it to boil for around 2 minutes. In a blender, I'm adding in half a cup of cut mango cubes, the cooled oats milk mixture and 100 ml of curds. Blending it and your smoothie is ready. Topping it with 1 teaspoon of flaxseed powder, a teaspoon of coarsely blended groundnut powder and almost 4 hours of soaked sweet basil seeds, 1 tablespoon. Giving it a mix, a stir, and your oats mango smoothie, a filling dinner recipe is ready. If you look at the ingredients, I have ensured that it is a complete mix of all the nutrients you require for a meal. Now, the trick lies in having this at dinner time, especially when you've had a heavy meal. So, maybe weekly twice, you could go in for a smoothie like this. Just replace mango with whatever seasonal fruit is available and voila! Your smoothie would be ready. The beauty of the smoothie is extremely light, filling and balanced meal. Try this out. Do let me know what are the fruits you're using and how did the recipe turn out. If you or anyone in your friends and family circle are looking out for dietary counseling for, let's say, weight loss, weight gain, thyroid management, PCOD management, diabetes management, gestational diabetes management, any health issue, any queries for simple, affordable, easy to change dietary plans, completely tailor-made with what is available in your kitchen. No supplements, no starvation, and the best thing of all, this is completely online. Any part of the world you're in, just WhatsApp us and we are there for you. The number to reach us is 63 663 63800. Talk to you soon.